The construction line command. There are three ways to invoke construction lines. One is to select the construction line icon in the Draw toolbar. The second, draw pull down, select construction line. And the third way is to type in the command alias for construction line XL and press enter. All three ways will invoke construction lines. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to complete this object, the orthographic view, top, front, right side view. Notice we have an inclined plane in the front view that is not indicated in the top view. In the right side view, this entire area is not shown, as the drill hole is gone. I'm going to complete all of this, even the inclined plane that is supposed to be shown right here. First, I'm going to change to the construction layer. I recommend that you create a construction line layer, call it layout, call it anything you want, but make sure that it is a separate layer. I'm going to change to the construction layer and select construction line. Notice that when I select the construction line button, at the command prompt, specify a point, I have several options available to me. Horizontal, vertical, angle, bisect, and offset. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the first three, horizontal, vertical, and angle. I'm going to type in H for horizontal and press enter. Specify through point. I'm going to project the overall depth here of this object. I'm going to project the height to the right side view. I'm going to project the beginning of the inclined plane, the end of the inclined plane, and I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom. I also need to project the drill hole to the right side view, and I'll go ahead and project the center line as well. Now, I'm going to project, I need to find the inclined plane here, so I need to project from the front view to the top view the beginnings of that inclined plane. I select construction line, V for vertical, and enter, and I'm going to project this line here. Now, I'm going to also project the maximum depth of this object right here. This is the maximum depth. This is the maximum depth in the right side view. This is the maximum depth in the top view. One more. I'm going to select construction line. This time I'm going to type in A for angle. I want a 45-degree line. This is a 45-degree construction line, and I'm going to place it at this intersection right here. Notice this vertical line, this construction line, is showing the maximum depth in the right side view. This horizontal construction line, maximum depth in the top view. Where the two intersect, a 45-degree line. This is my miter line. Using this miter line, I will be able to project points from the top view to the miter line, and then down to the right side view. I'm going to select construction line, H for horizontal, and I'm going to project this point and this corner to the miter line. This is the overall depth of this top part of the object. Notice that it is not even drawn in the right side view. I'm going to select construction line, V for vertical, and where this construction line intersected the miter line, I project down. Where this construction line intersected the miter line, I project down. Now, I've projected this part down to the right side view. I want you to notice something. Notice that your construction lines are essentially covering many of your visible lines. You see the construction lines, but you don't see a whole lot of your visible lines. Well, we can fix that. Get away from the object, crossing window with grips, crossing window. You've selected all your construction lines. Tools, pull down, draw order, and select send to back. All the construction lines have been sent behind the visible lines. Notice that now I can see all of my object. I'm going to change to the visible layer, and complete the visible lines in the right side view, following my construction lines. I'm going to complete the end, the bottom of this inclined plane in the right side view as well. I'm going to complete the beginnings of that inclined plane in the top view. Now, I have the inclined plane in the top view, the inclined plane in the right side view, and I have completed this area above. I'm going to change to the hidden layer, line, and I'm going to pick, notice, where it lines up with the top of this drill hole. Again, line, the bottom of the drill hole. I've just projected the drill hole to the right side view. I'm going to change to the center layer, line. There's the center that I projected. There it is. I'm going to select it, make this grip hot, and I'm going to move out about 0.2, make this hot, project this way, 0.2, and there's my center line. So now I have the right side view complete, the top view is complete, the front has been complete. I'm ready to print this, but I've got all of these construction lines in the way. Well, what I will do, scroll my layers down, construction line, turn it off, pick into the screen, and there is the top, front, and the right side view ready to print the construction line.